Good evening, everyone. Can you hear my voice? Say yes or no once to me. So type in the chat box whether you can hear my voice or not once. Okay, Andy. So today we are concentrating on Stream API. Anyway, workshop on Stream API. Stream API. Everybody knows that API means application programming interface. Application programming interface. So indirectly, according to Java programmer or Java developer, according to Java programmer or Java developer. So API means packages. API means packages. Nothing but we are calling it as packages. In the process of learning one Java course, you will start your package learning from java.lang, java.io, java.net, java.util. Majorly we cover from your core Java. So whenever the student enters into core Java course, as we trainers part of your course curriculum, we cover that 4 packages, nothing but 4 APIs. We cover that 4 packages or 4 APIs. So in a overview, and so whenever it is core Java means we people will be concentrating on majorly giving training about java.lang, java.io, java.net, java.net networking, java.util, java.util, java.util. Majorly core Java means these 4 packages awareness is mandatory. When you come to advanced Java, majorly we concentrate on Java X dot servlet, Java X dot servlet dot JSP. So finally, in the starting of your advanced Java only, java.SQL. I'm writing in a overview. So generally, if you know this 4 plus 3, you'll be in position to develop one web application. We give one clarity to the student. So among this core Java, today's workshop comes under core Java category 1. So among that, I'm concentrating on Stream API. That also comes under Java 8. It is a Java 8 introduced package. Sir, I know java.lang, java.io, java.net. So where this Stream API is available means generally I conducted 2 workshops and I came to 3rd workshop. Normally, today I'm in 3rd workshop, directly or indirectly, I'm in the 3rd workshop today. So in the java.util, whenever you take your java.util, you take java.util. Among the java.util, majorly 2 things to be remembered. One, collection. You have to remember one collection. You have to remember one map, K comma B. These 2 components you have to remember from util. Java.util.collection, java.util.map. These 2 things you have to remember it. So Java P, java.util.collection, java.util.collection. So this one collection component is one interface again. So knowing about the interface collection in core Java, we term it as Java collection framework. We term it as a collection framework. So framework meaning is the component which is readily available or the structures which are readily available for constructing applications. We can call it as a framework. So Java collection framework means one interface is readily constructed and available for us. That's the meaning of it. So anyway, one interface to be remembered from java.util.collection. Then java.util.map. Java.util.map. So whenever you want to organize the elements, we take the support of component collection. When we want to organize the elements in the form of key value, if you take any database data, nothing but database table data, primary key will play a role. Everybody knows that fact. So primary key, you can call it as key here. And the components are the values which are depending upon the primary key. You can call it as values. You can call it as values. So map means k comma v. So majorly java.util.collection, java.util.map. After this one, in Java 8 version, they introduced java.util.function. Java.util.stream. Part of util, they introduced a stream. Java.util.function, java.util.stream. They introduced two subpackages. One subpackage function, one subpackage stream. One subpackage function, one subpackage stream. The two components introduced by Java 8 version. So in the util, we had a collection. Already you know collection is one interface. Here, collection is one interface. Whenever you have one angular symbol here, you are called as generic type. If anybody covered core, no problem. No, sir, I had to be covered. I am in the middle of core Java. I am going to cover that means at the ending this chapter will come collection framework. There we are going to record these statements to you. What are these generic forms? So collection comes under generic form anyway. So interface collection, map is a interface. These two components introduced by this. Now I want to hit this stream anyway. But the last week or before week, I concentrated on function. Java.util.function. I concentrated. In the process of concentrating on function, java.util.function.predicate to be remembered. You have to remember predicate. So among function, major things to be remembered as predicate. You must remember predicate, you must remember it. Predicate. So among this, you have to remember by predicate. Among function, you must remember by predicate. Must remember by predicate. By predicate, you must remember it. So with this predicate and by predicate from this function, you must remember consumer. You must remember consumer. From this function, you must remember consumer. Consumer. So after that, you must remember by consumer. But by consumer. You must remember by consumer. At least you must remember this 4 by consumer. Like this. So what is the plan I done now? Generally, before coming into the stream, I came across my first workshop to you. This is the first workshop I came. Just I introduced the models. What is functional interface? What is lambda? What is method reference? Components I introduced in workshop 1. After that, I concentrated on predicate by predicate, consumer by consumer, I concentrated. These 2 extra I given, this 4 major. So like this, what I done in a gradual sequence. Anyway, part of your core Java, we are going to train util, but the students will be exhausted. Core Java students will be exhausted. Sir, lengthiest syllabus, sir. How many days, sir, still? Sir, when it will be covered, sir? When it will be ended, sir? The student will be converted into that state because very vast and very biggest syllabus we had in core. So the students will be exhausted when they reach it to this java.util because lang is the biggest package. 7 components, 3 integrations, exception handle, strings, wrapper classes, multi-threading, that all comes from java.lang, the biggest component. So the student will be exhausted when you cover this lang. Some people will be participating in remaining 3. If not, they leave this course in the middle. So they'll be exhausted to reach this util. Because of this reason, we feel that the students are becoming weaker in util.function, util.stream. In the regular courses, we provide it, but only 10% of the students will be available to our batches. At the ending, only 10% of the students will be traveling with us. So remaining students, at least they will learn from workshop, we feel it. So today, after giving small information about function components, and today I'm starting stream. Today, SAR is entering into java.util.stream. Whenever I'm dealing about stream, I'm calling it a stream API, package stream. That's a concept. So all of you understood this statement, what I made up to now. So where the journey is going, all of you understood any small information. Say yes or no in the chat box so that I can understand whether they're responding to me or not once. So SAR is concentrating on java.util.stream. All of you got this now where I'm going. So util is one package popularly known, available from day 1 to you as a core Java part. But among that util, one sub packages came by Java 8 by 2014. So whenever you want to enter into that sub packages, we are entering part of our regular courses, we are entering, but only few students are traveling with us. Moreover, only component level information is available. But in the workshop today, I'm showing one database connection where I'm running your stream. And at the ending of this workshop, by the third day 3, I'm going to bring web application also so that an advanced Java student who is sitting here, he can understand. Who is sitting from your core Java, he can understand the application pointer. That is a target I made it. By day 3, so today I'll run with the database connection anyway. And by day 3, tomorrow, a lot more work we are going to do. By day 3, I'm going to show one web application where the time means I'm going to run HTML form and server and so on. At last, I'll show where this application is going to happen. It's a plan I made it. Okay, right. Anyway, you must know where I am. I am entering into java.util.stream. So in the java.util.stream, sir, many are there. How to remember, sir? At least to remember, java.util.stream is the subpackage. Dot stream. At least to remember, dot stream. Yes, captain. Java.util.stream.stream. At least to remember one stream. So stream is one interface. Sir, like this, how many interfaces are there, sir? I want to know. How many interfaces are there? I want to know, sir. So now I am giving the list to you. I kept one list there. Interfaces part of stream. interfaces, part of stream. Two classes, major important classes, part of stream, and one enum, part of your stream. These are the components belongs to java.util.stream. Java.util.stream package. The java.util.stream package contains the following important interfaces, classes, and one enum. So one name is base stream, one is collector, one is double stream, one is double stream dot builder. Very careful. Dot builder. So in core Java or in Java Flower, dot means what and belongs to. Builder belongs to double stream. Builder belongs to input stream. Sorry, int stream. Builder belongs to long stream. Builder belongs to stream. Like this, they are available. See there, I'll open one by one because we are all code writers now, you must know. So Java P, Java dot util dot stream dot base stream. This is one interface. So everybody should have one glance on it, at least one glance. So that's a generally in the programmers, generally you people, you must know the components, whether it is an interface, a class, and so on, you must know. So at least I'm showing one base stream to you. One base stream I'm showing to you. Right. Base stream. Now, after having a glance on this iterator, special iterator, runnable. Sir, core Java sprint runnable means thread creations. Okay, right, sir? These are the components. Now, just I'm opening the components and showing to you because my duty is stream package. I had a comfortable time to me. The stream API, the components I'm opening. Collector, collector, one interface known as collector. Collector. So collector is one interface. So these are the components available in the collector. Okay. Now, double stream. We had a double stream. Double stream. Collecting the double data. Double stream. One interface, double stream. So double stream dot builder. BUILDR, builder. Can you see one dollar symbol here? Can anybody can answer what that dollar symbol represents in Java? Dollar symbol in Java represents what? You can say inner component. You can say inner interface. Inner interface or inner class. Anyone you can say. So the inner components are represented by dollar. So builder is a inner interface of double stream. Interface inside the interface. We write the notes in core Java. We write class inside the class inside the interface, class inside the abstract class. We write interface inside the interface inside the class, right? With models, we write it. The student will not understand why the SARs are writing this kind. Because that students will be happy when you write parent class and child class, and if you link with one extends keyword, they'll feel happy. So when we write this kind of models, no, they'll get bored actually. But they are all available in the design models. Today you can see. One double stream is an interface. Builder is in one interface. So that interface is sitting inside the interface. Interface inside the interface. Just I'm showing the model to it because components I'm opening at least once. Before workshop is closed, you can understand what they are. Input stream, sorry, int streamer. This is collecting double data. This is collecting int data. This is collecting long data. This is collecting your non-primitives. Stream means you can collect any type. Your T is there, it can collect any type. So just I'm opening one by one and I'll show you now fastly. Int stream. Int stream. This is int stream. One interface. That int stream builder. BUILDR. Builder. So this is one interface. We had a long string. Very easy to remember them also. If you concentrate once and remember. Because when you go to real time and at least they'll use one term now, you can understand. Long stream, collecting the long data. Long stream dot builder. At last we had a stream. I'm going to work on stream today. First I opened that only, no stream I've opened first to be remembered. In real time we use stream. In that stream I had builder. Anyway, the components are available. They are all interfaces. And the two classes are there. One is collectors, one is stream support. Two classes. Java.util.stream.collectors. Collectors. One class. This is final class collectors, which is having the implementations of remaining interfaces. Collectors. I'll decode one program, you can understand. Now, stream support. One stream support. Stream support. One stream support here. Stream support. One class that is. After that, I had collector, this one, dot characteristics. Characteristics. So actually, your enum also one final class on generally, but the nature is enum nature. Directly one enum nature. We call it as. So like this, these components should be remembered. If anybody want to take a snapshot, one small snapshot, you can take it. You are seeing that screen and on single glance, you can take one snapshot and keep it. So it will help you when you go for real-time market. No? These are the components of stream. Right. Sir, generally, what is the definition of stream, sir? What is the definition of a stream? So general definition of stream. Define stream. General. So the continuous flow. Continuous flow. We are calling it as stream. In that continuous flow, objects will be there. Or object references will be there. The continuous flow is known as a stream. Sir, what it is going to flow? Sir, what flow is going to happen? Generally, IO streams and files, one package will be there. That is different. IO stream means input output stream. That is different. Here, stream nature is a continuous flow of object references. I'll show the diagram. Sorry, I'll show the program. The continuous flow. The continuous flow of components or continuous flow of elements. The continuous flow is known as, instead of using any term there, the continuous flow is known as stream. Because you can apply that term to anywhere. How I'll show it out anyway. To show this stream, and I'm entering into practical. Because the components I must use it no practical. Right. See there for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Then I'll give the clarity, and total clarity I'll give it out. With the method signatures, I'll give it. Don't worry. So generally, whenever we are teaching core Javas, we don't have permissions to connect to database. Everybody knows. When we are teaching advanced Javas, and we never work much on your Java collections framework. Java collections framework. Why means that belongs to core Java topic, no? So we never work here. Normal. So somewhere now I am concentrating on linking database and working there. Linking database and working there. So generally, always I'll use one common table. 2 minutes to observe. System and manager. Always I'll take this table. Always I'll take this. Book 27, I took it. Because already the table is available with me. I'll fill it as book 27. Now one table is there for me. Book 27. One table is there. So in the database product, in database storage, I had one table. The table name is nothing but book 27. Having one book code, book name, book author, book price, book content. And in my database table, I had two records. Two records. Book code, book name, book author, book price, book quantity. Two records. So whenever you want to read this data, generally we must do one point. We are all object-oriented programmer, no? Construct one user-defined class. Construct one user-defined class having the variables equal to the database table columns. So how many database table columns are there means 4. Just to watch it what I'm doing, and just to watch it. Don't record anything. I had one database table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns are there. In this I had 2 records. Example, I had 2 records. Now Construct one user defined class having the variables equal to the database table columns. So I'm constructing. Two minutes, I'm connecting. I'm creating one class there. Right. I'm taking one class, book data. I'll take one class as book data. User defined class. So in this user defined class, I must take the variables. The variables must be equivalent to the database columns. Book code string, book name string, book author string, and float. Float book price and int is book quantity. I am taking one constructor. For easiness, core Java student can understand that. String, book code, book name, book author, float, book price, book quantity. This dot book code, book code, this dot book name, this dot book price, this dot book quantity, book author. Now to display this and so public string to string method return book code, this is the normal user defined class. I took four variables. Why you took four variables, sir? Are equivalent to database columns. Remember the statement to you. Equivalent to database columns. So remaining all one constructor, one method to display the data to string method. Anyway, after constructing this user defined class, anyway, now I am using one more class here. I'm calling it as main class. One main class I am taking where that public static void main is available. Like this. Now I am importing util. Import java.util. I'm importing util. I'm coming from here now. Sorry is touching util. From the util, I'm taking collection. I'm taking collection. So I'm not concentrating on exception handle. No? Just I'm keeping one parent. I'm taking collection. Collection. C is equal to. Here I'll take it as book data. New array list. Book data. So this is one interface. This is one implementation class. This is generalization process. You can write this kind of syntax. Now the data should come from database table now. Data should come from database table. When the data want to come from database table, have a database connection. I am having a database connection. Sir, I am a core Java student. No, sir, I don't know database. Need not worry. And just you have to see workshop means what you're observing. That applicative area we're observing now. So you, if you don't know this, you learn from advance. Don't worry here. So just to have a look on it. That's all. The 3 lines will be etc. Sorry, extra remaining all, because instead of giving the data from console input, I'm taking the data from database table. Only difference. If not, if it is a core Java plain program, you have to give the data from enter the book code, enter the book name, enter the book price. You have to read the data from your console one by one. Instead of that, already data is available in the database table. No, sir. Take the data from there. So I am taking the data from database table. So this comes under SQL. So I'm touching this package. I'm touching this. I'm touching this. Like this. Collection and so on. After this one, had one statement. I am running the query. Select star from book 27. Already you know this query from Oracle. After that, result set rs is equal to result set rs is equal to ps dot execute query. Now while end of loop rs dot next. Here book data BD is equal to new book data. Here RS dot get string of RS dot get string of RS dot get string of RS dot get float of 4. RS dot RS dot get int of 5. Then C dot add of BD. So like this, it is added there. So this is Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot. So this 3 comes under advanced Java. All generally. Why I brought this component here means to have a data from the database product. Now the data is available on the database product. Now you have to display now. System dot out dot println display from collection. Display from collection. So C dot for each. Now system dot out dot println. Now the data from the database table will come to user defined class objects. From that user defined class objects, the data will come to one collection object. Anyway, see there I am inserting more records. Inserting to book 27 values. I done it. There are the 4 records available. Now exit. That 4 records will come to our Java program now. That 4 records will come to our Java program. The 4 records will come to our Java program if I run it. Preferences, general, appearance, colors and fonts. Debug, console font. I'm increasing the font 2 minutes. All of you observed, no? Right. Sir, whatever the database table is available, the database table came to our uh, Java program. Indirectly, the data is available in the Java program. In what form the data is available now, sir? One record will be available in the one record will be available in one user defined class object. One record will come out and available in one user defined class object. All that objects will be available on one collection object. Generally, who is that collection object means array list object is going to hold it. Anyway, the data is available. Now on this data, I must perform stream operation. That only concept. On that data, already data came. On this data, I must perform one stream operation now. So collect the records which are having the price less than 1,000. Collect the products, if not, collect the book details which are having, collect the book details which are having the price less than 1,000. Less than 1,000. Who should come now? A120, A102 should come. Right. Suppose I want to perform one operation, stream operation. Right. So stream operation I want to perform. On stream operation. Right. Collect the book. Collect the book details which are having the book price less than or equal, less than or equal to, less than or equal to 1,000 or equal to 1,000 rupees. Collect the book details which are having book price less than or equal to 1,000 rupees. So in these two records should come out. One is 800, one is 500. For this I am using that. For this we use Streams API. See how I am using Streams API. Look here once now. How I am using the Stream API here. How I am using the Stream API here. Now I am introducing import java dot util dot stream. Now here system dot out dot println display book details. Display book details having display book details having book price less than 1,000. That you have to display it. That's the target. So for this, I am using one list L. Don't write anything. List L is equal to C dot stream dot filter. Under filter, I am writing one Z. Lambda Z dot book price less than or equal to 1,000 dot collect dot collect. Collector dot collectors dot to list. This is a streamer. So I am going to filter the data based on one condition. For that condition, I'm writing lambda expression. To understand this all only first two workshops actually. Like this. Now, whether the stream came or not, let me check it out. L dot for each. Now system dot out dot print. So I am trying to call this only stream and C dot stream dot filter of one condition dot collect the data. Two minutes. Can you see that? This is normal data. From that, I'm filtering this one. So stream is supporting me to collect. Means stream is supporting me to collect the required data based on the condition. Display the book details having book price less than 1,000. It's a concept. Sir, I want to collect one book details which is having the book price or book quantity greater than 10. Book quantity greater than 10. So I want to collect the book details based on the quantity who are having the quantity more than 10. More than 10. Suppose display the book details having book quantity greater than 10. I want greater than 10. Who are having greater than 10. So for this, I am writing list L2 is equal to C dot stream dot filter. I am writing lambda. X dot book quantity greater than 10 dot collect collectors dot to list displayed L2 dot for each of all are lambdas only. Now system dot out dot print. I'm running it out. This is original data. Now the price less than 1,000 and the quantity greater than 10. 12. See there. It is filtering and coming now based on the condition. But how many queries you executed here, sir? Only one query I executed here, sir. Part of this program, I executed only one query. Part of this, I executed only one query. This one. Select star from book 27. All the records came out. Once all the records came out now, on that records, we are performing some operation. Whenever we want to perform some operation, we take the support of a stream. It's a concept. So stream package components are used to perform stream operation on collection or map components. This is an example to you anyway. Why I showed example means I'm going to decode this line. I'm going to decode this line and this line and this only major thing, and you came to workshop to know how the data is available in the collection and how my user defined class is available to me. How my user defined class is available to me, because in my core Java, my teacher is giving training on n number of user defined class objects. At one stage, the teacher will say that. At one stage, the teacher will say. At one stage, the teacher will say the class can generate any number of objects. The class can generate any number of objects. So I'm going to show the solution for all these ends. So why we have to generate multiple objects for a class? If the database data coming out of your database table, where it is available, from there, how it is coming into collection object. On that collection object, how you are performing your stream operation. To explain that's only this workshop. So every student will come here. Why every student should come now? So 4 levels of students is actually. 1, sir, I'm in the initial stage of core. I know user defined class object. Second stage student, sir, I covered my interface up to Java 8. So I know Lambda. If I don't know Lambda in the regular course also, I seen your workshop 1 and I learned Lambda. Right? Third stage, sir, I know collection framework components. I know collection framework components. Fourth, I know JDBC connections. Like this 4 levels of students are available. Sir, among these 4, I don't know anything, sir, means tomorrow you participate it. I'm going to draw these 4 layers together. That only workshop. 4 layers together and means what? I am only going to show that user defined class object to you. I am only going to show that where the data is available to you and how this database data is binded to collection object. And upon this, how you are performing your stream operation on it. The total component drawing I'm going to do on it. So theory, right? Okay. Now, whenever I want to do stream operation, the statement is, what is stream now? The continuous flow is known as a stream. So according to this example, what is continuous stream now? Sir, the data is available in the collection object, array list. From that collection object, I am taking the data stream, C dot stream, C dot stream. See there? I am using C dot stream. Where it is? 1 minute. C dot stream. So C dot stream method is nothing but it is going to take the sequence data. It is going to take the sequence data outside. How means continuously? How means continuously? It takes the data continuously outside. It is like a flow, continuous flow of data is coming out. What kind of data? Book details data. What is book details now? User defined class objects are coming. So when the continuous flow is coming on that continuous flow, I am performing one conditional operation. I am performing one conditional operation. This conditional operation, how it is performed, where this method is available, where this method is available, where this method is available, and how they are going to do it. This I'm going to give information very clearly to you. So I used one filter. I used one for each. So I used one filter. I used one for each. What is this filter? What is this for each? What is stream? Stream means the continuous flow is known as a stream. According to our program, in the above program, the continuous flow of book data objects. First, and who want to take this snapshot for today, take it. We got 3 days workshop now. Anyway, we had a comfortable time. Today, because of link problem, somebody missing, I think. Take one snapshot and keep it. Take one snapshot and keep it in. Take one snapshot. I'm scrolling down. Right. This is stream program and take a snapshot. I'm scrolling down like this. So the data is coming from one database table, book 27. Right. Yes. C is one reference variable. C is one reference variable declared by the type collection holding the reference of array list. So diagram will come and for it. Don't worry. This program diagram will come. Why means because we people cannot imagine it, the internal visualization will not come for this, because where stream is running, where the data came, where it is available, from where I'm performing operations, from where the data is coming, I cannot understand. The student cannot understand that. So that visualization will not come anyway. So to make that clear, I used to draw a diagram. I'm drawing this diagram for this program anyway. Right. So look here. I'll stop the day one today because of miscommunication with the link. What has been happened today? I started my class by 25 minutes or 20 minutes late. So tomorrow, same link and what you have been joined today. Second joining link is there, no? The same link. Tomorrow you join by bit early. So if you join by bit early, what happened is I'll draw the diagrammatic form. First only the diagram will be drawn and given to you. I'm going to show the diagrammatic form of this program. And from the diagrammatic form, you can understand where that user defined class objects are created, where this collection object is created, and where this stream is performed. With that, one clarity will come. After that, I'm going to show the application format from your web application once. So where to apply this concept? I'll going to show you. With that, one small clarity will come. Then I'll cover the remaining components. I had 2 days time again. Tomorrow join with the second link and bit early. Today confused with the link. So the link has been mismatched, right? Anyway, take a break for day 1. We are meeting by tomorrow in time. By 4:10, we are going to start the class. Right. Thank you very much for day 1. And thank you very much for day 1. Today's session is incomplete and so tomorrow it will be continued. Thank you very much for day 1.